So Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good days to all the viewers. So today we have a cap and we have a mask, and if you see it look old, and this one already have some bad shape from this mask and from this hat, so we want to make it like a new. So stay tuned until the end of the video. So if you see this cap already bent this side, it should be not bent. It should be not bent like this, but it already bent. Maybe it's been hit by a pressure or what. So we will try to make it like new, okay? So okay, first step, we just put this mask and this cap into, some soap. We wash it. Any soap can do. And after I wash these things, we'll meet you there. Okay, we already done, wash the cap and the mask, so we will try to hang it there. Okay, so we already hang, this cap this way. You see that harder part, make sure it is straight so that the cap not bend anymore. And this mask, just hang it like this, and always aware of the the humidity of this cap and this mask. Don't get too dry, if not we hard to bend it later. Okay, after it's dry, we'll see you there. Okay, right now we will use the iron. Turn it on, and we'll cover the cap using the towel. So let's do it. Okay, so we have done, make this thing looks new again. See a little bit closer. So that's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this must make our voice not sound so clear, but I hope you enjoyed this video. And before that, I want to, Rafiq want to say thank you to all of you guys because support me until up to this level. And I hope this video is beneficial for everyone, for every viewers. And if you feel that all of my video are beneficial for every viewers, please do share this video to all of the people, so that people can learn from our video, and we will make our video much better in the future. And upon that, my name is Muhammad Rafiq bin Razan, right now in Kuala Lumpur, Negeri Sembilan. And don't forget, we are finishing our third song, which is Implikasi. I hope after that song release, you all will be excited of that song. And upon that, we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.